Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into 5 amazing facts about foosball that you probably didn't know. Let's get started. Fact 1, Invention History, quick cut to black and white image of Harold Thornton. Foosball was invented in the 1920s by Harold Searles Thornton in the UK. He wanted to bring the excitement of football into homes, and that's how foosball was born. Fact 2, different names, map animation showing Europe and North America. It's known by different names around the world. In North America, it's called foosball, but in Europe, it's table football, babyfoot in France, and kicker in Germany. Whatever you call it, it's always fun. Fact 3, official sport, footage of international competition. Foosball is more than just a game, it's an official sport. It even has international tournaments organized by the International Table Soccer Federation. Who knew foosball could be so serious? Fact 4, playing styles, split screen showing fast versus strategic play. Different countries have unique playing styles. In Europe, it's all about strategy and control, while in the US, it's fast and powerful shots. Which style do you play? Let us know in the comments. Fact 5, world record, text animation 61 hours non-stop. And finally, fact number 5, the longest foosball game ever lasted over 61 hours. A team in Germany set this incredible record. Talk about dedication. Think you could beat that? So, there you have it, 5 awesome facts about foosball. If you learned something new, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more fun facts and videos. Thanks for watching.